हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूं तरुण कपूर। वेलकम बैक टू एजो इम्प्रिंट्स। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारे मॉक टेस्ट 2 ऑफ लीगल एप्टीट्यूड, लीगल अवेयरनेस, लीगल नॉलेज आप कह सकते हैं। मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस हैं इसमें, अदर दैन द टॉट, फैमिली लॉ और जो हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और आईपीसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को छोड़कर सभी सीआरपीसी, एविडेंस, इंटरनेशनल लॉ, आईपीआर और जो अदर लीगल नॉलेज मुझे ठीक लगती है, आई विल पुट ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस इन दिस सीरीज़। एंड जिसने भी मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन गेट द notifications automatically. You can also follow my other playlist on the channel, the Indian Constitution series and the previous year polity MCQs, चाहे आपकी mock test series है, तो आप सभी को follow कीजिए. So let's begin the test. The first question is, of the following documents, which is negotiable instrument? A. Promissory note. B. Bill of exchange. C. Check. D. All of the above. Obviously ये सभी के सभी क्या है, negotiable instruments होते हैं. ठीक है. Next question, who is the father of international law? A. Jeremy Bentham. B. Hugo Grotius. C. Oppenheim. D. None of these. C is the correct, B is the correct answer. The third question, headquarters of International Court of Justice. A. Geneva. B. Paris. C. New York. D. Hague. The correct answer is D, and Hague Netherlands में है. Next question, copyright is that is prohibitory in nature. A. Moral right. B. Statutory right. C. Negative right. D. None. The correct answer is negative right. Copyright is a negative right that is prohibitory in nature. Fifth question, extradition means handing over a diplomat to other state. B. Handing over a spy to other state. C. Handing over a criminal to other state. None of these. The correct answer is C. Next question, sixth, persona non grata means ungrateful diplomat, inefficient diplomat, undesirable diplomat. None of these. The correct answer is C, undesirable diplomat. Next question, the decision of arbitration is binding on parties, not binding, partially binding. None of these. The correct answer is बाइंडिंग. बाइंडिंग होता है आर्बिट्रेशन. ठीक है. देन यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड स्टैंड्स फॉर abolition of customary law. B. Globalization of legal system. C. Equality before law. D. Uniform family law for all the religious groups. The correct answer is D. Lex fori means A. The law of the place. B. The law of the court in which the case is tried. C. The law of place in which the the contract is made. And D. None of the above. The correct answer is हमारा क्या है, B. B is the correct answer. Okay. The next question, if a man is denied the freedom of movement, it means the denial of civil liberty. B. Natural liberty. C. Political liberty. D. Economic liberty. The correct answer is civil liberty. Okay. The next question, who is notary republic? Notary public क्या होता है, कौन होता है? A. lawyer होता है. B. person well noted by the public. C. an official having authority to certify deeds. D. none of the above. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. ठीक है, आप जिसको अथॉरिटी होगी डीड्स के लिए. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इज इग्नोरेंस ऑफ लॉ एक्सक्यूजेबल? येस, नो. ओनली इन द केस ऑफ यंग पर्सन इट इज एक्सक्यूजेबल. ओनली इन केस ऑफ फॉरेनर्स इट इज एक्सक्यूजेबल. The correct answer is no, it is not excusable because ignorance of law is no excuse. What is escheat? A. One succeeding to the property of his aunt. B. The property goes to the government if nobody is the owner of it. C. A legal dispute. D. None of the above. Obviously B is the correct answer. That is very popular term. General newspapers में आती है. Then who was the ancient lawgiver of India? A. Yagnavalkya. B. Chanakya. C. Aryabhatta. D. None of the above. Obviously the A. ठीक है. Then next, Fait accompli means established fact. B. Factual presence. C. According to the fact. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Established fact. So these are the 15 questions. Do write your marks in the comment section. ठीक है, ताकि मुझे भी पता लगे हाउ, एंड प्लीज़ डू कमेंट कि आपको किस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस लग रहे हैं, वह कि आप इसे डिफ़िकल्ट फील कर रहे हैं या इजी फील कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द 15 क्वेश्चंस. डू राइट योर मार्क्स, and if you like my videos, do like, share and comment my videos please. It really motivates me if you comment something. Okay, and thank you, and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Hope to see you all in the next session.